Hey guys, Dre here. Welcome to a redstone tutorial. It's not really redstone, it's a farm. But it's close enough to be in my redstone world. Shazam! Yeah. So, here we have a cow farm, and this is based off of Xisumavoid's cow farm. Except it's automatic and completely AFKable. So the first bit is completely the same, but then we have this section where the cows pop into, coming down this water source and getting stuck in this little gap, and when they grow up, they will be a little bit taller than a block, go up here, into here, and this is just, move it. Pop down there, and their drops will go into these hoppers, down into here, and you get your delicious beef. So even if any baby cows get down here, they're not gonna die, just because they don't touch the lava, because they will only fall into this gap, and even if they walk over there, they're not a block tall, so they don't get killed until they grow up. So let's get to building this thing, and yeah, I will see you guys in a second. Alright, so we're going to start off with this 20 by 10 area. I know that's the what blocks on the inside would be, so I'm assuming it's to be 21 by 11. That was a mistake. But you're going to go to the very edges and build a 8 by 8 area. So you go, this isn't 8 by 8, is it? It is 8 by 8. I'm dumb. Yeah. Well, the point is, I guess this is 20 by 10, whatever. Just build what you see. It doesn't really matter if you have this, whole thing around it. This is just the area it's going to take up. I built mine in the air because I don't want to have a system taking all of the items back up. That's just how it goes. But you're going to start with this. What you're going to do after that is on each side build up 2 blocks. And take your slab, plural, slabs, and go all around here. Alright, then you're going to build this out like that. Put a sign here. Put a sign on top of that. Whatever. It has an S on it. Put a sign there. That's a D. Whatever. There. And there. So now when you place your water, you get pushed in to this area, but there's no water there that lets you swim up. After that, you're gonna go here and build all the way around until you wrap back, and this is the spot that's going to contain your cows. If you can look over in the corner, my redstone world has kind of grown a bit. Not much, but I haven't shown everything that's there. Like, that's to a separate bit that goes to a build world, and that's a double piston extender door thing, but it has to be 2 by 2. So once you have this down, you're going to put your glass panes all along here, like so. And once you've finished that, you build into here. Crap. This place. Alright, then you build right here, and build an area all along here. God, mouse sensitivity. this is where your signs are going to go. So you're going to place all signs around here. Where did that go? Alright. All along here. And when you get to corners, which you can't place on, you have to place a sign there. Then place a sign. I guess you have to shift click. Place signs all along there, including the edges like that. Alright, so this is what you're going to have. This kind of thing going around here, like that. And then you're going to put glass up around 2 blocks. Done. Alright. Of course, you're going to have to put a layer of the block that you're using to build with around the top, so cows don't escape, so they don't escape, and like this. So before we build the actual mechanism to have the cows going around in a circle and the wheat, we're going to build the killing mechanism because that is just something you want to do beforehand. So you're going to have it go down. I'll go down 2. I have that there just to make it look fancy. But you can do this. And bring it out. Is it 8 blocks, I think? I believe that is 8 blocks. Let me see. If it's... perfect. 8 blocks. Alright. Now once you've done that, you're going to take quartz. And this is the area that the cows would sit on. Am I? Yeah. Alright, so I'm back. Sorry about that. That was just a quick second. Alright, so what you do, you have the water. This is the 8th block. You have your 2 signs built up a block. Then you put signs diagonal to those 2 and put water on these 2 blocks. So it's going to flow like this, and this is where the killing mechanism is going to be. I'm actually going to take that water out for now, just so we can do this. Oh, great, it's raining. Here, I got this. / toggle downfall. There we go. I don't know why I'm doing that. It doesn't really matter where you have your cows fall down to, it just matters where the lava blade is. I mean, to be honest with you, you can do it right here, but it'd probably be safer to build out a bit, like to say, I don't know, here. If I go beyond there, that's just because I'm doing this somewhat differently than that one. We'll see what it ends up to be. But what you're going to do is you're going to put 2 signs there so the water doesn't go anywhere. And as you can see, this creates that effect. So if you're more than a block tall, you... Oh, right. This is... Players won't be able to do this because they don't default swim up. But all animals by default swim up and keep on hitting the equivalent of spacebar. So what they'll do is they'll be pushed by the water, maybe try to fight it a little bit, but they won't be able to. And they come to here and they jump and fall through. Afterwards, you are going to have your lava blade mechanism, which you're going to go up to about there. I actually think I built this correctly. That's different. I did something right. And you're going to go down to here, and you're going to have it 5 blocks long, because in the overworld, lava only flows 4 blocks. 3, 4. Yep, that is perfect. You're going to put 2 signs here, and you're going to block this all up. Oh, I should mention, I'll link Xisumavoid's channel in the description below, so if you want to see the original video, you can go check his channel out. He uses it as an XP farm, but for this one we're just assuming that you're only trying to get beef. So here we go. And the lava flows out. And that's the kill mechanism. So like in the other one, You flop down here, and you don't move. And yes, I built this a little bit longer than that, but you can shorten this, lengthen it, do whatever you want with that. It's very tweakable, just as long as you have those two signs right there. Next, we're going to build the wheat mechanism, and to do that, you put your blocks around here. And the wheat mechanism has to have something facing outward, so wherever you want to do that, you can do it on that side, anywhere really. Let's build it facing outwards, just so you can kind of look out the glass a little bit. So what you're going to do is right there. And I should mention, you got to get rid of these two signs and these two blocks here, because that's where a hopper and a dropper are going to go. But we build all the way around here. All right. Actually, I can go till there. I am going to grab everything else out of here. I think I need the stairs though, so let me show you what you're going to do with this. Everything we'll need. One thing I forgot is redstone dust. My inventory is a little bit cluttered right now. My apologies. Alright, so you're going to have that hopper dropper facing upwards. Then next to it, you're going to have the hopper that is facing into it, so if anything goes into this hopper, it'll go into there. After that, you're going to have another dropper facing this way. And you're going to put, I don't know why I'm using slabs, but you're going to do that. After that, you're going to have one redstone dust. I should probably grab an actual block for this. Put a block here, repeater, one tick there, this here, like that. So now this is the machine. If I toss something in here, that's what happens. And this is what your lever is for. Turn the mechanism on or off. Like so. And you can do this. So now you have your mechanism set. If you want to have a wheat chest right here that has a hopper feeding into this, that's something you could do if you're going to use this pretty frequently. Or you can maybe have a wheat farm that has a hopper draining into here. Whatever. Whatever floats your boat. And then you're going to put signs here and here. Is there a sign there? Yeah, there is. Alright. And then you're going to take your slab and your stair of your choice. Put the stair like that, the slab like that. And now what happens is when you turn the mechanism on, you're looking through at cows, holding down right click, and feeding them wheat. So this is the entire mechanism for the inside, and now we're going to do this part. So what I like to do is I put slabs here, just because the water naturally does that little upflow. I'll just demonstrate. Like this. So it just kind of naturally flows upwards, which I don't know, I like that. So it does this. So the cows can't really resist that. I have no reasoning behind why I do it. It just happens. In Xisumavoid's video, he uses, I think he uses fence gates, except he puts them like right here, and the water right here. I do this. It's my thing. You know, whatever. And this is it. This is your completed mechanism. It'll kill cows. It'll kill everything. So let's pop some cows in here and give this a try. Actually, that baby is dying. Okay, so watch what happens. Baby go. Baby will go over here. So even if that doesn't work, I should probably put another layer over there. It's going to go to the bottom and not get hurt by the lava because it is not, you know, it is young. So, but if I put a cow in there, the cow dies. And it will drop its stuff right about now. And everything is in the hoppers. Let's go look. I think it should be fed into that hopper. Yep, 3 steak. This also gets you leather, so it can be useful for trading with villagers. There's probably a way you can set it up to give you some amount of raw beef for trading. But let's spawn some more cows in here. You are gonna need a good amount of cows to get the ring thing working, or else they won't really flow around in circles. This cow is holding up the entire thing. These cows are holding up the entire thing. Alright, but the cows will get going around. See, in this one, collect right here. If there's wheat, it's not going to matter, I'll be honest with you. You can rig it to whatever you want. It'll work out fine, I promise. Because I forgot wheat. There we go. Alright, so now all the cows are going to go crazy. And you're going to just hold down right click and breed all of them. And you will get some amount of XP from this. So now there's going to be a few baby cows coming through here. Sometimes they get stuck in there, sometimes they don't. Again, it doesn't matter. But that is a good idea. Another baby cow. See, he's stuck in there. But when he grows up, he'll pop out. Yeah. This is the cow farm tutorial. And now my cow farm is double-sided. So that one's a bit longer, but it doesn't matter. You can tweak it with however you want. Remember to build it up in the air so you don't have to deal with a machine taking all your stuff back up. My name is Dre. Please like, comment, subscribe, rate, do whatever. Give my channel some love. I hope you enjoyed this. That's another machine I have that doesn't do anything, but I like it. That was a totally ADHD moment right there. But my name is Dre. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you guys later.